Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial we're going to show you how you can delete the most recently added files to your Google Drive account really quickly. So let us get started. Now what you want to do, guys, is head over to Google Drive, and here in the left panel simply select or choose the recent folder here. That is going to show you a list of all of the most recently added items like photos, images, videos, or documents, sorted by date, starting with today, then going down to earlier this month, last month, earlier this year, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to delete the most recently added items, simply select these with your left mouse, just like that, or you may simply clear the entire recent folder by simply pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all items inside that folder. And after that, click on the trash icon here to move these to your trash folder. Of course, to delete these once and for all and for good, you will need to head over to the trash folder and delete these from there too. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.